In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube in 2020. All the secrets, strategies and tips that every beginner YouTuber need to know. Also, I'll answer questions like how long does it take to make money on YouTube, how many videos you need, how many views you need, and things like that. So if you want to learn more, stick around. Hey, what's up guys? I'm so happy to see you here. My name is Mani Karthik and on this channel I share everything that will make you a better person. I sincerely hope that you'll be my newest subscriber by the end of this video, so fingers crossed. So, making money on YouTube. So let me tell you that first of all, that if you're in this for just making money, then you're going to be disappointed. Because never do something just for money. Money is such an enigma that the moment you start chasing it, it goes away. Instead, think of how valuable you can be by making yourself irresistible and being useful. Once you do that, you'll notice that money will come chasing you. This has been my experience and I think this is the law. So in your case, what you need to be doing is figure out how you can be useful to others. So first things first, you need to start a channel, and that's the first step. There are amazing videos from the YouTube official team that will show you how to create your YouTube channel. I will link to it in the description. Please go ahead and watch them and you will be able to create your own YouTube channel step by step in an easy way by just using your verified Gmail ID. Do it after watching this video, of course. So if you're serious about making money on YouTube in 2020, you need to have a content strategy in place. Because gone are the days where you could just put random stuff on YouTube and get paid. It doesn't happen like that anymore. If it's an information-based channel, you need to figure out what content you are comfortable with, what topics you will cover, how can you make a difference in the viewer's life with your content. Because YouTube is all about that, right? Being useful with your videos. Videos can also be entertaining if that's your forte. Go ahead and do the best in it. But again, you need to make sure that you have a content strategy, an idea about what you're going to make videos on and how. Some YouTubers even recommend having a content calendar as well. Well, basically, this is just a well planned out calendar where you know what videos are going to be published at what time, what date, so that you can plan well ahead. Whatever your content strategy is, you got to make sure that it is focused on one topic or a theme. This is probably the most important factor when it comes to monetization. The reason is that apparently the YouTube algorithm likes and prefers channels that are niche and focus on one topic or theme rather than being broad in its content. For example, a channel that focuses on videos about books for kids or another channel that focuses on guitar classes perhaps is a good fit. The deeper you are into one subject or theme, the better it is. It tells YouTube that you have the expertise in that subject, and that makes it easier and relevant for the algorithm to show or suggest your channel to interested people. So when you start a YouTube channel in 2020, make sure that it focuses on one particular topic or theme. That way you build your expertise in it and you make it easier for monetization. The second thing you need to make sure is that you have to start small somewhere. Many people think that every YouTube video has to be like Casey Neistat's with drones and expensive shots and everything. I wish if that was possible for everyone, but it's not, right? It's just impossible. Most of us make the mistake of comparing ourselves to the biggest stars on YouTube and think that you need to be like them in order to succeed. That is such a stupid thing to do and an unfair comparison to make. Everyone starting out on YouTube has something new to offer, and I think they should just start wherever they can in whichever way possible. As a matter of fact, if you look at the big stars on YouTube, they all started in crappy ways. MKBHD, one of my favorite tech YouTubers, started out with a crappy webcam 9 years ago. Similar is the case with most YouTubers. If you go check out their video tab and check their oldest videos, you can see how crappy they were back then. So start small in 2020 in whichever way you can, and that is most important. The next thing is you got to be consistent with whatever you're doing in 2020. Now, if there is one thing that is common among top YouTubers, that would be consistency. From Casey Neistat to Technical Guruji, everybody is consistent with their content. Now, it may be different in different frequencies, but definitely consistent. Whatever is your post frequency, stick to it monthly, weekly, or daily, doesn't matter, but do it in your capacity. But more consistent you are, the better it is for you, the better it is for your subscribers and the YouTube algorithm. Consistency trumps over everything else in my opinion. The next thing you need to make sure is that you improvise as you go in 2020. Now, let's say you started out a channel. Failures and disappointment are going to be your friends for a while because you need to set your expectations right and don't think that you'll be on YouTube trending with just your first video. It doesn't happen like it. Even if your video is super amazing, it'll take some time before it gets noticed. Even the best of the best had their learning curve on YouTube, and in 2020, this is especially true. YouTube is always testing out their algorithm, and the only way you can stay relevant is to improvise on the go and adapt yourself. Sometimes you might need to do things you've never done, produce longer videos or post more frequently, upgrade to a better equipment or use better graphics. Whatever it is, you have to do what it takes. Never stick to one single format, and this has been my learning. For example, look at some of the most celebrated stars on YouTube. Almost all of them would have gone through a learning curve and improvised on the go. You will see a steady improvement in their video, content, and production quality over time. It's just inevitable, and folks like you who are starting out new are no different. So be prepared mentally for all of this in 2020. Now, let's say you started out on YouTube with a new channel, started publishing videos and you're getting some traction. How long does it take to start making money? Let's take a look. Well, the answer is that there is no fixed time period. According to YouTube, a YouTube channel must have at least 4,000 hours of total watch time in a 12-month span and a minimum of 1,000 subscribers in order to be eligible for monetization. It doesn't guarantee monetization though. There are a number of policies and guidelines YouTube recommends for each content being uploaded to it, so your channel has to abide by these guidelines before being able to make money from it. I've linked to the official YouTube guidelines and best practices articles in the description below. Make sure you don't miss them. So a couple of other questions. How many likes do you need to make money on YouTube? How many subscribers does it take? How many views you need? And things like that. Well, there is no particular number of likes, videos, or views you need to start making money on YouTube. It doesn't work like that, especially in 2020. Your channel has to meet the requirements I mentioned earlier, that is the 4,000 hours watching time and minimum 1,000 subscribers, and has to follow the YouTube guidelines. And that's about it pretty much. If you can demonstrate that your expertise is in one particular domain or topic, then that would be great as well. So basically, to wrap it up guys, 2020 is a great time to start YouTubing. There are many opportunities and so much demand for great content. Many talented folks like you are yet to come on board. In my opinion, everyone who has something to say or share should start a YouTube channel. It's a great way to express your voice and make some money on the side as well. So if you're thinking of starting a new YouTube channel, let me know in comments and join our secret group on Facebook. You'll find a lot of help there. Okay, so that's it guys. Hope you found the video useful. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them. I have more videos for young beginner YouTubers on this channel. Please check out the playlist. I'm sure you will like it. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I would love that. See you in another video. This is Mani Karthik signing off. So if you are planning to start a YouTube channel in 2020, please let me know in comments or join our Facebook Startup Street.